Welcome back to the Merciful YouTube channel. We've got Ethan on the controls of the main event today. We've got to get that trailer off of that one. He's got himself a little bit of a doozy for his first undecking. That's probably plenty of height to go ahead and rotate. And then you'll have to bring it back in.
Bring the boom back in?
Yeah, once you get it over the truck. But he's got himself a little bit of a doozy. He's going to have to be very careful because we got this headache rack in here. So today's plan is take it off the trailer, swing it around, set it down next to this on the other side. This ground doesn't look that unlevel until you set the rotator up and realize that you gotta hang the front end 2 feet in the air. Look at her. Yeehaw. We're using foundry hooks for the backside with rim slings, 5/8 rim slings, which are rated at 18.9 in a vertical. There's 2 of them. And then on the front, because I only have 2 foundry hooks, we're just choking some red endless loop straps, which have a 10,000 pound, I think it's 10.6. So yeah, 10,600 pound. Yep, just get it off of that label and get it choked down all the way. Yep. And then you'll hook them both into that shackle and shackle back on that snatch block. Are you going to need more cable in that line? All right. What is that? White. I don't want to drop. We'll just boom down for him. There we go. Everything look good? Yeah. All right, so first things first, on your lift, you always want to make sure you stand somewhere where you can watch your farthest most of the way outrigger. So like right here is a good view. So you can watch everything. I'll go to that side and watch so you don't run this way. But you want to put some lift on your blue first. That way, because that's going to try and walk the trailer away from this headache rack. All right, now pick up on your white. There you go, white's floating. Take blue in. Your landing gear's off the ground on the front of the trailer. Rotate forward. See how it twisted from you? So what we're gonna do is rotate forward to number 1, counteract that twist. Number 2, get this rear away from that headache rack. There you go, now you should be able to take blue up. Blue, not white. Are you only taking blue?
I'm only taking blue.
Okay. All right, you got it elevated. Let it settle because it's a little windy today, so we need to be real nice and smooth with it. Watch your chart. We're showing trailer weighs about 10,000. I don't know how well that's going to turn out on camera. 10,000. We're at 22% capacity. We're rated for 44 the way we are on the truck. So now you need to cable up and get it to where we're going to clear the front of this headache rack. So take both cables in evenly. And the more cable you have out, the more the trailer is going to be able to twist. So as you're taking it in, it's not going to be able to twist and rotate as much. Oh yeah. The wind is going to try and catch that headache rack a lot. So one thing you may be able to do too to make it easier on you, you got the front pretty high. Take your blue in some more. And then boom out. And that's going to take both your cables up evenly while lifting the trailer. And also push it away from you too, so you don't have to worry so much about the front. All right, you should be pretty well clear right now. To go ahead and rotate around the back. Now when you're rotating something this long, you've also got to pay attention to your front swing. We're gonna make sure we don't get into that trailer over there. You're up and over it, so you should be good to just keep going. Take wide up some. There you go. Yep. Step back so you don't get underneath that if something happens. Everything's sitting pretty. We're around the first corner, working on the second corner. This is cake work for the rotator. All right, go ahead and start booming down as you rotate.
Down and in, right?
Yeah, you can do both if you want. Just make sure it's nice and slow and smooth. Once you're at 90 degrees, go ahead and stop rotating and we'll set her on the ground. You're well past 90 right now.
I was going off of this.
Oh, it's 91, yeah. That'd be about right. Yeah, just boom down and boom in. Just don't set it on your outrigger. All right, once you get close to the ground, you want to hang out a second because you want to put the tires down first so you don't put all this weight on the landing gear, possibly folding them up. So keep coming a little bit more. Just boom in a little bit. Get them about an inch or so off the ground. Looks like your landing gear is going to touch first, so
Go ahead and drop.
go ahead and drop.
Down.
Yep, go ahead and drop blue. See how that picks up on white? Yeah. Now drop white as well at the same time. Just keep them both going. There she is. Then just boom in to let the rest of it out. There you go. Boom in till your hooks are almost on the trailer. And just boom down from there. There you go. Everything's good and easy to work with. Cool. Let's get her broke down. Ethan's first trailer undecking. Look at that. With the tater. He didn't even have to learn how to do it the hard way with the 25 ton. He went straight to rotator. So, hashtag blessed.
A little spoiled.
So,
Just a little bit.
all right, we're gonna get this broke down and get out of here. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.